welcome to my first ever Get Ready With Me video. So I wasn't able to film properly, so here is a voiceover. So first I'm using this moisturizer, which is the Dove Beauty Cream that I think you can get in Middle East countries. And then I'm just going to apply this chapstick, which is the Carmex in Cherry something. And then I'm going to use this petroleum jelly to put it on my dry spots because I have a very dry face and I need it moisturized. Okay, so again, I'm gonna brush my hair and I'm just using this Stylex, I think, hair dressing cream, and I think you can buy it on anywhere, like any drugstore. And then I'm just gonna tie my hair back. So if you want, you can plancha your hair. So magplancha na kayo, and ako kasi hindi ako nagplancha, so yun. So here I'm applying the hair oil that I really like, which is the Lotion Potion of Keratin Complex Style Therapy. And okay, for my face, I'm going to start off with this Bello tinted sunscreen primer thing. So everybody has it. I think you can buy it anywhere. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. And this is the foundation that I have, which is the Maybelline Dream Satin Skin Foundation. And my shade is B3. Nalaman ko lang yun kasi sabi ni ate nung bumili ako. So this is the most expensive product that I have na ako bumili. And I'm just going to powder my face with this kind of fluffy brush na hindi ko naman alam kung paano gamitin. So next, we're going to do the eyebrows. My eyebrow pencil is only from Daiso, so you can get it for 18 pesos. I have the dark brown shade. And yun, so parang kunyari alam ko yung ginagawa ko sa pagkikilay. And ayoko ng super defined brows, so I just do it very lightly. And I just do it like that. I just line it up and then fill it in very lightly and then brush it out. Para natural lang tingnan. So yan, tingnan niyo yung awkward face ko. Okay, and then this is my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I only have 2 eyeshadow palettes that I use. This one is the Makeup Revolution, I think, palette, which resembles the Naked 2 palette. I will have maybe its link down below. It is a good line of products. And then I will just use that light shade that you've seen before as a base. And fingers ko lang gagamitin ko. And then we will use this kind of brown shade right here. So it's kind of a light brown. And then I'm going to use this brush, which is, I think, from Forever 21. It's like a flat eyeshadow brush. And then I'm just going to dab. Okay, may dab pa doon. Dun sa corner ng eyelid. So, kind of the corner papunta sa may gitna. So, hindi ko alam kung paano i-explain to. Basta ganun. So, itadab ko lang siya so that there's product all over there. And the usual trick na parang natutunan ko sa mom ko and my titas, or like old school trick, is to wet your brushes with water para mas kumapit, I think, yung product, and it really works. And then there's this kind of fluffy brush lang para hindi harsh tingnan, yung hindi super like nakalinya. So, iba-brush out ko lang yun para natural lang tingnan. This is my second favorite palette, which is the Clinique one, and I'm gonna use that dark brown shade over there with this kind of angled brush. I think ginagamit siya for eyeliner, but I'm gonna use it for eyeshadow. And then I'm just going to try to make a cat eye at the end, and then line my lids with it. And then yung fluffy brush na ginamit natin before, i-blend natin siya all over para hindi siya super harsh and hindi siya mukhang weird na cat eye. So, and then I'm gonna use these Wet n Wild brushes. It's flat, so para lang dagdagan yung color dun sa corner. So we want it dark. So ewan ko, yun lang ginagawa ko. Gusto ko dark siya. So pag wala naman kayong brush na flat, kunin nyo na lang yung daliri nyo and then i-dab nyo na lang yung fingers nyo dun para lang mas maraming color. Yung dark, yung pinakadulo lang. So lagyan nyo yung pinakadulong part ng eyes nyo ng dark brown shade. And then yun, blend ulit para hindi parang tsaka tingnan na parang nakalinya sila lahat. And then I'm going to add these glitter. So pili na lang kayo whichever glitter you want. It could be white, gold, dun sa my middle part ng eye nyo and ng eyelid, and then sa inner corners of your eye, usual na ginagawa ng mga beauty gurus. So attempt natin yan. Ayan. And then, we're going to use another brush or kahit fingers nyo na lang. And then, ilagay nyo yun under your eyebrows and then over your eyebrows. Yung usual na ginagawa daw para ma-highlight yung eyebrows. So, hindi ko naman alam kung ano ginagawa ko, pero tingnan nyo na lang. And then, yung same na light brown shadow na ginamit natin, we're going to use it under the eyes para may definition. Charing! Oh! So, I'm going to use this blush. I think that is Clinique. And then, I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush thingy to put it on my cheeks. I actually don't know if kita siya. And then, ayan, kunyari marunong ako mag-highlight, I only used the same highlight I used yung eyeshadow na ginamit ko na shimmery and yun din yun. So, apply lang natin yun dun. And then, yan, sa nose. So, kung saan yung usual na sinasabi ng mga beauty gurus, gaya-gayahin lang natin yun. And then, of course, my favorite, hyper sharp na Maybelline na eyeliner. It is a liquid liner and super easy naman niya gamitin, so it just takes practice. I love doing cat eyes, so ayan, yan lang yung pinaka-bagay na alam kong gawin sa mata ko. So, let's do it. I start with putting out a line. So, from the middle of my eyelid, it's going out, and then inner corners. And then, tsaka ko lang gagawin yung wing, which is always not even. So, there are times naman na pantay sila. And then, I'm just gonna get some of those glitter shade and then under my eyes. You can use your fingers lang din naman para mas glitter yung mata and mas live tingnan. And then, nakita nyo, gumamit ako ng petroleum jelly para sa lashes ko. I usually prep my lashes with petroleum jelly before I curl it para mas kumapit. I use both of these mascaras, which is the Wet n Wild, I think, na Mega Wear, and then the Clinique one for volume. Yung una is for length, I think. Pero I prefer the Maybelline one. This one is an eyebrow gel na makikita nyo lang sa Daiso. It's clear. And it just sets your eyebrows in place. So next, we're brushing my hair again na hindi ko plinansya. And then I'm just gonna use this Vidal Sassoon dry shampoo or any dry shampoo that you have. I'm liking this so far. Just to add volume at the top part of the hair. Kasi my hair is still wet and para medyo volumized kahit wet siya. And lalagyan natin ng Stylex again, which is again the hair polish or the hair dressing cream. And I'm gonna put it hanggang sa ends ng hair ko. And then this is my favorite product of all, which is the Bead organic pomade. So I will have the link down below. It is really good and it's very strong hold. Plus organic siya and perfect. So you will find their Instagram on the links down below. So you just add it to the top of your hair. So make sure yung hair niyo naka-position na para naka-slick back na siya. And then ilagay niyo siya sa tips ng hair niyo and then twist para mas maganda yung dulo. So I applied this hairspray na hindi ko gusto, so don't buy it. Dun sa sa comb, and then i-comb down ko lang yung hair ko para mas makikita nyo yung form. Sorry kung putol yung thing. Medyo hindi ako marunong mag-video mag-isa. And yun. So, just apply a lot of spray net or hairspray on your hair para mas matigas siya and mas magstay siya all throughout the day. Yung akin kasi hindi siya strong hold, kahit strong hold daw siya. So, find another or a good quality hairspray para magstay throughout the night yung slick back hairstyle niya. Now for the lips, I usually put lipstick on after I've changed, but here I'm using this Estee Lauder, which is in Divine Wine, for a brownish shade. And then I'm just going to use a lip brush to apply the very famous Maybelline Nude Nuance on my lips to finish off the look. And that is it. That is my slick back hairstyle tutorial with my very easy makeup look. That is it. So thank you for watching. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and read the blog post for all the links and of course my OOTD, and see you soon.